Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Grave Epitaphs stamp set. Now this is a 4x6 stamp set that includes 31 stamps, if I counted correctly. And the stamp set is a must-have if you have the Build a Graveyard die set. Now you could also use this stamp set with any headstone die or stamp you may already own. You could create some really fun backgrounds with random stamping and add your dies to this. Maybe a die cut skeleton or ghost would be great with that. Now I have a couple of samples I'm going to share with you, but first, if you want to see more inspiration featuring this stamp set, head over to the blog or follow Whimsy Stamps on Instagram, and you can join us in the Facebook group Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration. I want to encourage you to follow our design team's social media as well. So here are the samples I created for you. You can see I created a shaker card using that brand new Build a Graveyard die set and then use this stamp set to add Buried Alive to this. So funny. Next card, I actually have a tutorial for you on this one today. I'll have it linked at the end of this video, and you can see I use the stamp set on the headstone there. Now, this card is my absolute favorite. I used Move-In Ready Hardwood Floors Quiet Neighbors, and I paired it with the new Slimline Hill House die, which is an absolute must, and the new pattern paper, which is another must. And I'm going to tell you, they're going to go fast, so you need to grab them while you can. We really do appreciate you joining us for these product reveals. Be sure you click that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.